Today we are mastering two essential Python features: handling infinite arguments with star args and turning custom objects into functions using call. Part 1. Infinite arguments with star args. Use star args when you don't know how many items your function will receive. Python automatically packs these arguments into a tuple. For example, print and print. Okay. Return. Then example 2. And let's print and let's run and print. Excuse me. Let's print. Okay. Unpacking lists. If your data is already inside a list, unpack is directly into the function using the star operator, like this. Okay, let's print and let's run and print. Okay. Rule: positional arguments like discount must always be defined before star args. Part 2. Callable objects with call. In Python, you can make custom class instance behave exactly like functions using the double underscore magic method call. Unlike normal functions, these objects can remember their state and adapt dynamically, like this, for example. Okay. Let's return. Okay. Step 2. Print and output like this. Let's print and output like this. Okay, let's run. As you can see, okay, changing a state on the fly. Because it is an object, you can dynamically update its attributes to change its behavior, like this. Let's print and print and output like this. Run, as you can see. Okay, summary. Star args handles a variable number of positional arguments as a tuple. Underscore call underscore gives your custom classes the simplicity of a function call with the power of object state management. Subscribe for more Python tips.